Hey folks, time to talk weather across the valley tonight. And right now things are still very quiet overhead and probably will be for a few more hours. But we're watching areas to the north and west. I think eventually some showers and thunderstorms may move into the region and they have potential to become quite strong. So let's look at radar first. And again, over the valley right now, there's nothing out there. So let's just zoom out a little bit and then you're going to see stuff. Notice when you get up just to the west of Laredo, strong storms. And north of Laredo, this line isn't just a short line from Laredo to San Antonio. I mean, it just keeps going. Look at the severe storms west of San Antonio. That's intense stuff near Hondo, Pearsall, all under severe thunderstorm warnings. Lampasas, San Saba, up toward Eastland, up toward Dallas, Fort Worth. That whole area under one huge severe thunderstorm watch. I think that's the biggest watch I've ever seen. It stretches from Laredo to Oklahoma, and all up that line, there's showers and severe thunderstorms breaking out. But let's come back to us now and look at this stuff. That cell west of Laredo, we're going to watch, but it's probably going to stay to the north. That's why we're not under the severe thunderstorm watch. So let's go to a model. And this is one of our models. This is a 3-kilometer high resolution model. It's showing some stuff right here, right now. That doesn't exist. We just looked at radar. That's not there. So ignore whatever that does. On the other hand, look at the stuff up around Laredo. That's really there. Let's watch what that does. So as we go forward, again, don't worry about this. It doesn't exist. But the stuff up around Laredo, that's a pretty strong storm moving across Webb County, eastward toward Corpus Christi. That's 2 a.m. There's 4 a.m. And now look, we're still looking at just spotty stuff around the valley still. Not much. But watch what happens as we go forward from there. That's 5 a.m. Look how now thunderstorms begin to break out in the valley. 6 a.m. in the eastern part of the valley. 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. You're seeing strong storms and now some stuff back in the mid part of the valley again. So the suggestion is that while we may not get anything during the most of the overnight hours, by morning there's potential for some really strong storms across parts of the valley. By tomorrow afternoon, it's all gone. So it's not an all-day rain event, but if it does rain, it could come down quite hard. So again, the threats are large hail and damaging winds, flooding, rainfall. For the most part, no. It could be a brief flooding issue, but one of those things where you street floods for a few minutes, rain stops and it goes away. Lightning will be an issue, of course, and then the risk of tornadoes is not zero, but it's pretty low. We can't completely rule one out. Rainfall-wise, the models are updating now, and they're saying a little bit more, but I think overall you're looking at less than a half an inch with localized totals of 1 inch or more. If you get caught in a thunderstorm, you could pick up a good inch to 1.5 inches of rain pretty quickly. If you're not in the thunderstorm, you get a lot less. The Storm Prediction Center has upgraded the risk for tonight and early tomorrow to marginal for all of the valley. Earlier, the lower valley was not in that, but now they are. Now you are. So the whole valley, marginal for tonight and again for tomorrow. That's tomorrow's risk. Marginal as well. And keep in mind, marginal means isolated severe storms are possible. Isolated severe storms are possible, and that's winds of at least 58 miles per hour and or hail of at least 1 inch in diameter. That is possible in a few locations in the valley tomorrow. The weekend as a whole looks like this. Scattered storms tomorrow, possibly severe, a high of 89. Leftover showers, but not severe on Sunday, a high of 91. And if you're at the beach, it's cooler there, but the chance of rain stays about the same, 83 and 83. So for tonight, 76 scattered storms could be severe, especially very late tonight. And then tomorrow, scattered storms, again, a few possible severe. Your high temperature tomorrow around 89 degrees. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and we do warm it back up pretty quickly after we get to Monday when we dry things out. But the bottom line for late tonight and early tomorrow, if you hear thunder, get up and turn the TV on or go to the Channel 5 Facebook page because we'll be there talking about the weather. If it's severe, of course, we'll be on TV telling you about it there as well. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.